now on homework 74 of Mr. T's video shop. All right, we're now dealing with rotation. So again, we start with XY. So there's 3 rotations. There's 180, and that's easy. You keep the X and the Y the same, and you just change them to their opposite. Then we have 90 clockwise, so XY. And then whenever you have a 90, you flip them. So if you have 90 clockwise or 90 counter. So you notice how we go Y, X. Now clockwise. If you've noticed, the clock turns to the right. So the right term, which is now X, changes to its opposite. All right? So now we do 90 counterclockwise. So we first start with X, Y. And remember, when you have a 90, you flip the terms, Y, comma, negative X. All right? So now counter is turns to the left. So now you look at these two. Which one's the left one? Oops, sorry. This shouldn't be there. So I'm going to redo that. Y, comma, X. Which one's the left term? Which one's the left term is Y, correct? So that one I changed to its opposite. So these are the 3 main rules that you're going to do. There will be something about 270, which I will test you on, but think about it, it's not that bad. All right, so let's see what we got here. I first have to plot my points. -1, -4, 2, 3, and then -3, -2. And of course, I need to label them C-A-R. And so what do we have as car? All right. So now we have to follow the rule of 180, so it means change everything to its opposite. So C is 2 negatives, so I'm just going to write 1, 4. I just change it to their opposite. A is 2 positives, so I'm going to write 2 negatives. We have a negative and a negative, so these are now both positive. So now I can follow these points. So I do 1, 4, and that's C, and I put a little prime symbol. -2, -3, and that is A prime. And then R is 3, 2. And now I can connect these, and if you see how it is 180, they just reflect over each other. That's all it is. So again, when you do this one, all I want you to submit in Google Classroom is R double prime. Okay? Now remember, look at the rule you got to follow. 90 degrees counterclockwise, and that's down here. All right, there's your rule. So I helped you out. So if you follow this, it shouldn't be that bad.